So we're going to work on our Boo Blues sheet here. We're going to find chords 4 and 5 from our chords for our instruments. First of all, you need to ask yourself, what instrument am I? Am I a C instrument, a B flat instrument, an E flat instrument, or an F instrument? And you know that because you have already written out your scale on your page that outlines the task. C instruments, your note will be F. B flat instruments will be G. E flat instruments will play the note D, and F instruments will play the note C, so that we all create the same sound. So that's why you're transposing instruments. Let's start with the flutes. You can see I have a note already here. How did I get that? I've added up to 4 notes from F to get the note B flat. F, G, A, B. There's our B, but everyone who's written out their F concert blues scale knows that there is a note B flat. Let's count up the 4th note from the saxophones. My first note is D, E, F, G. So we know that the 4th chord for the E flat instruments will be the note G. So if we're finding our chord 5 note for our F instruments, we're going to count 5 notes up from C. C, D, E, F, G. And it's also the note G there. They're going to sound different because their instruments make different sounds. So over here, chord progression 1, we'll write the note which is in the chord progression for alto sax for chord 1, and it's the note D. So I'll write down the note D. I know that the next chord is chord 4, and that the note G is chord 4 for the E flat saxophones. So I'm going to go G. And I'll fill out the whole rest of this page. Then I can take this page, fold it so there's no distractions, and play chord 1, which is D, for 4 beats. Then I can play chord 4, which is G, for another 4 beats. Then I'll play chord 1 again, which we know is D, for 4 beats. And then I'll play another chord 1, which we also can remember it's D, and I'll play for another 4 beats. And I'll go all the way through. So by the end, I'm going to play each note for 4 beats, all the way through the piece, through 12 whole different chords, to play the complete chord progression that will be the foundation for our Blues Down Under solo.